all Sierra Leonean, whatever Usa you there. This na the program called Love Salon and Left by That. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. My people in that salon today, the 25th of May 2020. My people, I get a very important message for Una again today. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing will happen in that country. Let we tell Papa God thank you. My people in the salon today, I get 3 important messages for Una again today. Mumpome, but, and Tuna no say that story with the pool. We go continue for pull the story where people they want for hearing. We go continue for say the things where people they want for know. And Tuna no say that inside soldier team na don't form soldier. And inside Paupa na don't form Paupanistic. And people in the salon today, my first information now is about the APC big folks them. Now again, people they talk. Adebayo be say Adebayo be don't talk Adebayo be don't talk I don't tell Una say I don't tire for you read this topic. I don't tire for you read this word. Sierra Leoneans, when something don't meet you, they ever take us serious. This is the one party one for we all stop. When something don't meet you, person learn from them. When something not said, pass this thing meet you. I don't tell the folks them when a big people and at the APC say, let them avoid government hospital. Let them avoid government hospital times without number. Adebayo don't talk 1 year ago. Adebayo don't talk 6 months ago. Adebayo don't talk back today. Say, Una the big folks them, the number 1 enemy for Una SLPP. There is any way, shape or form SLPP want for kill Una all today, then they kill Una all today. No doubt about it. They don't ever get good plan for the APC people. I don't tell Una this times without number. Now look what they do where they don't kill Dr. Ba. And that Magbokade, Dr. Ba is the strongest man, not even one of. Now that region there. Now they don't get rid of him. Now look what they again don't happen with Petito. Now because they know say Petito now the strongest man. Now Cambia. Now look what they don't do to INWEF. When I can always tell you about SLPP say, what did they talk na social media? It's far different from the actions them. And I don't tell the SLPP people and say for anyone folks that the SLPP, anything he can talk na social media, una not take a light now. What is the big one and don't talk? I don't tell una say una avoid them people who are the hospital business. But also again, even though una do the right thing, then they go after una for kill una. Now me people una look what it happen with me Petito here in West. Now then sick, then a house. Then picking when a doctor advise them say una we go na 34. Then people had they make more na social media say they don't get enough gadgets them. They don't get enough instruments for take care of the COVID-19. Now then people have beyond a light and the light powder. Now look what they don't do. They don't go kill the man in West. Where the man, everything about Petito na in West. All the vision, the ambition about Petito na in West. Now that man in woman when I a strong woman. Now they don't kill her today. Now ask what thing kill this woman. There's a lack of oxygen. Then people are not on talk na social media say, then get all things under control, they don't get enough gadgets there, enough things there for fight the corona. And the main base of the corona virus na 34. And we expect them to 34 forget everything. Now today, me people, they don't go kill that woman. And let me tell you now, the APC, if you say Petito don't die, we're not shocked, we're not doubt them. If the Petito survive from yonder, now God intervention. If the Petito survive from yonder, now God intervention. But make no mistake about it, then they kill her. If the Petito survive, and they hold you now, una go all out for see how best una they pull Petito from that condition, from that situation there. And even now, if even una want for type or take step for pull up from last place, they not go agree. This are the unlucky thing, this way they happen now at the country. Now, even though this don't show how the people of APC they go by the law, this don't show how the people and believe for do the right thing at that country. But even though again they do the right thing and for go kill them, then for go kill them. If you not put Petito here and Pikin Yanda, if you not intervene, if you God not intervene, I swear to God, it'll be late, man. Because one thing for what know, them people are not say Petito now one of the strongest man in Akambia. Make no mistake about it. And I want for the strongest man there. Right? Now APC. I don't want una. I don't advise una. That old pa, Yasane, where is sick. A Pepe doctor himself say well. Right? Because I see for God give life to the master Pikia and they kill him. This is the reason we make they cost them mama them bombo them every day and they regret. But when they talk, una fisa they buy on a story they pull. They don't tell what they tell the APC people and say, them basta Pikiana, how them for kill una all nine of them problem. Now in them want no more. Now the smallest opportunity, people and take themselves, them Pikin advice, they say, love you go 34. Now una don't go kill the woman, strong woman. Una don't go kill them. Where everything about Petito na that woman. Now una don't go kill her. And me people, let me tell you now, if Petito and Pikin and save from that situation, then a God intervention, yeah? But they're ready for kill Petito back. Make no mistake about it. Then people are not get sorry yet for people in another country. Then people are not want to know who that this person don't be. Then people are not want to sabi, they don't understand. Then just they do them to their your interest. Make no mistake about it. If Petito survive from this, and they repeat her, if he survive from this, now God in intervention. But then people that don't do all team back for kill Petito. Who side politics they can go with we? Who side politics they go with we? Because of politics where they destroy people in life. Because of politics when they not get sorry for humanity in that country. Because of politics when they kill people and papa them, people and grandpa them. When they destroy people when I think na them region them. When I think na them family. When they destroy them people because of politics. I don't say this again. Any folks when are big folks, I like them say the corona choke but you go boil water like drink. Pepe doctor you say. But this also again not good for the country. Because if the people and they continue for Pepe doctor themselves and do back the wrong thing, then they die in the house. Why Salon for this so? Why the country for this so? Now they make people and they afraid for God's hospital. Some people are right now when they die, then they die because they're afraid for God's hospital. Let them not go tell them say they get corona. Let them not go tell them say them positive. That ain't got them no more alone, they kill you. It's just like where give person time for die. So they die before the time because they one day ain't got about it. God did not follow. God not ever make mistake. Not ever tell people who say they die. Because if everybody knows that they die, who they die before that time they reach. Because remember that they so you body all go down per you. When see God, I die per we. But then people I don't make now, people are afraid for God's hospital. Even though you do the right thing for going to hospital back, then they go kill you there. Because wait till you not to Mende, because wait till you not to Southana, because of wait till you not to SLPP. I don't tell you now, I don't want you now. Now watch all the big folks that we don't go to hospital if they all don't survive. And if you Petito survive this, that God intervention, me people. This I tell you now today, allow you know, this is my last and one in this back where they get on the APC. Anything will happen to una not go now hospital. Because when una go there, then they go destroy una life. This now my first message, this me people. My second message today, me people. You know, when I see my sisters there, my brothers there, and they talk about this Kuwait issue, Kuwait. I be send a blind eye to him. Why? Because me na somebody where they calculate, and me na somebody where they think. And me na somebody where love people. This thing where they happen to we sister and so and brother in our salon, where come up with. And not doubtful, not strangeful to me because I know say them get for go through hell. I know say them get for go through hell. Now it make when people they raise up their issues, I tell them, I say if you left to me, let them beg the Kuwait government. If not Guinea, say let them left them there. But let them not carry them go direct Sierra Leone. Now it make when people and they say the government need for sign the government, not to this kind of government. Now we tell God thank you when the Ghanaian they don't pull press release. Guinea them. And the ambassador on Kuwait don't make them clear, say the people and then test them. They're negative. By rights, by law, not true them for quarantine for 14 days. But the people and just go the 14 days not done it. I don't accuse and say na positive, they get corona. Now they don't take their phone then all at the hand. They don't take their number then at the hand. Then they go and cross-check. They say if they don't leave that another group when I fit check corner. Now because them people here come up Kuwait. Recently, this Kuwait government pull money the SLPP government. Now, when they see them say the SLPP want to take prison and then go take the people in Kuwait, it's a bullshit. Me and you know say not to the government do am. Now the Kuwait government deports them. That we all know. But you see, when they tell you say the people that where they destroy Salon, we sabi them, we know them, they would always they compromise with them. I don't tell you say one part the most somebody where then they use when a Umar Fofana. Una see what Umar Fofana they write na Facebook. Una see what they post. I don't tell you say by destroying Sierra Leone, Umar Fofana are the #1 architect where then they use for anything. Even before then they declare corona, na Umar Fofana and do this the right thing there. I don't tell you this times without number. I make why they cost Umar Fofana in my mind Bombo, in my mind Toto. I don't get one regret. Because these are the people where they give Mother the platform for destroy people in another country. These are the posts where they give Mother the platform for destroy Sierra Leone. These are the posts where they give Mother the platform for deceive the whole world. This bastard begin to need the enemy. Umar Fofana. But when I can always talk, people love the films. And I make sometimes when people in the open them and meet them to them on social media say, Adebayo the cost, ask them if anybody talk say Adebayo don't cost me, una ask and say, what do you do Adebayo cost you, mama? Anybody will come on social media, will say Adebayo cost me. Una ask and say, why Adebayo cost you, mama? You do something to the country? Una show me one person you will not do nothing against the country. Well, innocently, don't they know more why Adebayo go cost you, mama? Adebayo on a Christmas. Sometimes you ask them this question. For anybody, mama will cost, it deserve for that cost him, mama and bombo. Make no mistake about it. I don't tell you now, this times without number. I don't tell you now. Umar Fofana, one of the anti-tech the way they destroy Sierra Leone. But you now facing a film Adebayo they act. We go ask the film. And people go hear, people go listen. Now today, they say picking away come out Kuwait get corona. Now they want to go fair away now for jail them. They want to go fair away now for kill them. They want to go fair away now for destroy people and wait to obtain in the future, then get a very big role for playing at that country. Now this time they want to do. No make no mistake, anybody were free from them people away come out Kuwait, God like I am. Una not make mistake about them. They're ready for put them in prison and they're ready for destroy them. Make no mistake about it. And who are the post where they behind that after 2 and Fatima and Lima with that bastard picking Ben Kelfala. That they behind that attached one. My people them. Make no mistake about it. Them people are where also. Them people and they will come out Kuwait so anyone will free from a God lecker. Anyone will come out here and God lecker. Because Fatima Biodo make a clear say, they go treat them discipline and tell them say, now he make when the fast they said and they help Adebayo for go take with people in Niger. We don't make them clear. We don't get a country where they take house for them, then they go there, they take care of them for 1 year. Now he make they call on Sierra Leoneans them. Now we all come on board and join them people here. When are ready for support this movement. For make we go take with brother and sister them na the jail. Now we not allow again, then go talk to IOM, for go take them people and then go do them back like waiting and they can do Kuwait sisters and now we don't come out Kuwait. We people that we don't come out Kuwait. Now look what is and they can go through. And they call on everybody, do ya, and they beg. Una we then the jail. Una not allow again IOM for care una go salon. Una wait for we. Because this way they don't do them, so then go get the mind back for talk to IOM for make them go take una. And moreover, we don't involve into una now. We don't care una go ahead una see the plan where they don't get for una. So now we they call on to una where they need jail. Una not allow again for make them care una go until una don't see now what they happen. So we sister them, na salon, we brother them, na salon, and they make the whole SLPP member make an audio. That audio they all over. We said that they kill them 1-1 and go discipline them, defend them 1-1. Now we all see what they do them. So and they call on people where they relax for this GoFund page. And they call on everybody, we don't target them for 3 to 4 months. Now we able to raise the money where we want. Now we go free with brother and sister there. And we know they carry them go direct salon. We there on the primary stage now for fund shelter for them. The country will decide to make them go. And we will go take care of them there for 1 year. After 1 year, we see our best again. We're able for fund small thing for give them. And when they go salon, nobody knows who that come on in jail, who that not come on in jail. Then we gotta make sure say we put everything in place, me people. These are the plans, and at this we never work on. Do you hear me people? And they call on everybody. Let we go all out for support the GoFund. And they might not get that money for go take them there. Now we all get for come together. Like how this is a vision from the supporters there. Do you at the beg? Let we promote the GoFund. Let we share them. Let we share them, me people. Let we all go out every month. What do you get? Put them. And then at 1 cent you get, put them. Now we go save with brother them. They are 120. Where they in jail. Let them not can do them again. What they don't go do so with sister and brother they don't come out Kuwait. If them print me out, I not be ever want to make them people who come out Kuwait go salon entire. Because them people are waiting a power. They never forgive. Now people are where they revenge. Now people are where they do bad. Where they not do them nothing. Now today they say they revenge by APC. Who's bad where APC do them? Who's crime where APC commits to them? What did APC do them? Where they do all them bad there in the country, me people them. So do you have they call on people? Now we pray for we sister and brother that we don't come on the jail. We don't come out a Kuwait. Let God intervene. Let them bastard begin there and see reasons how for left them. But to like to, they're ready for destroy them. Fatima Biolima and Ben Telfala and then they behind that attached one. And I want everybody aware and conscious. But if anything do them people and they, Sierra Leoneans, now we come out. I want to know say now we picking them, now we sister them, now we brother them. Now we uncle them. Now we demonstrate for we people them. Now we come out for we people them. Let them not destroy. If anybody there in the Southland, now they see where they go pull them. If anybody there in the Wena Mende, now see where they go pull them from there. They're ready for destroy them here. And when we tell this government, say if they mistake do anything to them people here, we dey take the street. If they mistake, do anything to them people here, we dey take the street. Make no mistake about it. Why we want to go destroy people that will get future? Because of what they come out quit. Now all man they quit the cause. Now all man they quit they die. Then a fit corner. Now by force for that person like you. Now the freedom of speech and the mind them be they speak. If the people that speak their mind, why we not go say una they go destroy them? Una just don't take life as way like una just take life as their meat. We go just put their mouth to chama. That's the way exactly them bastard people just take life to that country. They don't value life, they don't respect life. They don't respect human being. The word kill and just they say go killer. They don't value, they don't even know the meaning of kill. Life we don't make for God destroy them. And they call on Sierra Leoneans, when allow we step up, let them not kill we picking them. When allow we step up, let them not kill we brother them. When allow we step up, let we send message to them, if we try to do anything, we they go against una. Sierra Leoneans, let we not allow them destroy the people them. Especially the Northwest. Especially the Northwest, let we stand for justice. Let we stand for we right. Let we stand for democracy, the people them. If you not so for that, then they destroy them. People here will just come out Kweto. If we not team up, then go destroy them all. If we not team up for them, then go destroy them all. Look the one they Ghana and Gambia and they take care of them. Guinea. But then basta Pika, they're not able to take care of the Pekin them. They're not able to give them good side. Then they want to go destroy them back. You are beg you already quit. No make no attempt again for go Salone entire. Do you have the beguna? Sierra Leoneans, now we stand up for people. This is my second message. My third message for una today, my people. I can always they tell una say me I dey a focus and I dey pay attention because now me they tell people for pay attention. I always tell Sierra Leoneans themselves, them people are they think above them. Now they don't get a serious plan because they get a serious pressure right now from the international community. What is this pressure where they get now? About Paulo and Silva Blyden and Quetta, Albert George Williams and all the political prisoners then they get serious pressure about them now. Now know what they don't do? They don't get about them now. When they get for go get red polo. They don't get our people them now. What did they don't do for us? Now I see them they share one video during the election. Where that video then are up gun that thing they happen. Where I think Mother Biobi go misbehave society, so the people are vexed now up gun and go pull him postal. When them back me, they go and check Samura Kamara and postal. They not talk out. Now that video they post. You know why? Now they don't set up a strategy. They don't put Bobo there, but they make them known to the international community. Let them know say them Bobo are for go perform. Where they want them go perform, they are not APC. Them Bobo are they are SLPP. If not lie, anybody will commit that crime when they go all let them not let them giddy. Let them hand over them to the international community. Them Bobo are SLPP don't do the same thing. Binchumani 3. Then take SLPP Bobo there. Then get APC banner, then do them na America back. Then do them in humanity. Now the same thing they want for can do. Why they make them clear? Because the international community they listen to me. So now I want to tell them, say this are them plan. Then they can't give Bobo them where they were red for misbehave, then all them. Then when they all them now by their explanation and go say now for Paulo Conte then come for and Sylvia Blyden. Because they don't cartoon and say now then get them but three Bobo this are so they don't do. And I want to tell the international community directly say there is a plan from the SLPP, the ruling government, now they don't set those plots. Because then they get serious battle with arguments now for make them left the political prisoner them. They want to make in their own way. But I lie. Me Adeba on my camera, they pick everything. Now as they talk to now because of the secret we are talking about the Russian ambassador and the Guinea and the Nigeria ambassador, we walk out of that meeting. Then don't sack 8 people in a state house. They say that they give me that information. 8 people in a then they don't sack na state house, me people them. I don't tell them people I say, what me plant span and show. Only God now I'm going to reveal and to salon people. What me Adebayo plant span. Only God. But always when they talk, then they feel saying a film they act. Now they don't sack 8 people them. Now they don't government pull no press release again for can life for people them because I don't tell them say any press release they pull concerning that issue they are they pull waiting then they back. Una see from after that incident they una see the ever pull press release. Now let me tell you now what they don't do. Now they process me audio there now. When they get them a CID from CID they send them an ONS. They get special IT people and now they process me audio there. I don't give the work for do. Yes. And these are reliable and confirmed source that they get on now me people them. Now even them the SLPP now. Now from me now then say they get information for attack certain issues them now. Even them, the SLPP them now, from Mother Biotech down. Now, they make somebody, they hold somebody na CID, and they go ask her, you get Adebayo and Odio there. And the lawyer tell them, say, if not for Adebayo and Odio there, una begin arrest with the lawyer there and the president. Una begin arrest all man because 99.9% then get Adebayo and Odio na their phone there. Let them begin check people their phone there. Even you where they ask the question now, so you get Adebayo and Odio. That's what the lawyer tell them. So then people are not even know, they're not sabi how for rule country, they don't know how for govern people, they're not sabi, they don't even know what's in a democracy, they don't know what's in a freedom of speech, they don't sabi what's in a justice. Now they make a call on everybody, and they warn Mother Bio, if you not go all out for open mosques and church, the people and for the Christian and the true Muslim then they get for a serious uprising in that country. Because now, what do they understand about this COVID-19 one that they talk about? In there, yes. But why now the case then they go up, then they reduce? Why is the America, China, Russia, Italy, shop that don't open? Holland, Germany, border don't open. School that don't open. Now, Trump don't open mosques and church in America. The sick they go down. Why salon now? The thing increase. And when corona done overseas, it don't done in Africa. Then they make them clear. They're not going to give Nigeria money. Why when they increase the tune at the Western time because of political intimidation? And they use the COVID-19 for kill people whether at the opposition. When they use the COVID-19 for suppress people whether at the north and freedom. The southeast, everything they go on the normal. No lockdown other day. You want to come off freedom for go book and then they allow you. Why in the southeast? But why is the northwest now? They know they allow. They say then you forgot take pass. And when you go for pass, if you not to SLPP, they know they give you the pass. When I see how them bastard they operate. Oh, because the religious guys to wait for stand for make mosques and church team up, for make them open, there is no way. If the other side and they open, now the whole world, why mosques and church not for open? Why mosques and church not for open in Sierra Leone? But until they don't sell them birthright to Satan, the religious leader they don't know again what for do. The people got to stand up against you now. Because we're not going to take people and for them begin worship idol. We're not going to turn people and for them begin worship tomorrow, man. No. And at the Ojuna, for make una go all out for open mosques and church, if you not for that, una they soon una they see uprising. Because the people they don't tire, the people they want to worship God. If una not allow for let church and mosques open in that country, una they see where God is swear go deeper una, and una go see how God go destroy una. If una lie, una continue for lock mosques and church, una not open them. Now una see what in the happen the last 3 months. If una not open mosques and church, this now my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone. Anyway, now way overtaking is allowed. I mean, Akulukulu kafita yebe na yebe usa de na da de ayasa supagbo sikmido kemetas